reaching without hands, speaking without words, two souls in a language the world never heard. Breath to breathe, heartbeat to flame. Every inch of you whispers my name. And it's not just desire, it's devotion set on fire. When I lose myself in you, I finally become true. Only love could do this. Make my body sing and shake, pull me deeper till I break. Only love could move me like a storm wrapped in grace. It's not just lust, it's sacred trust. When you touch me in that place, only love could do this. I unwrap you slowly like a prayer in the dark. Every sigh a confession, every moan leaves a mark. You're not just my lover, you're my temple, my sky. And in your arms, baby, I forget how to lie. You don't just take me, you worship me whole. You read my trembling like scripture on soul. Only love could do this. Turn the night into our vow. Every time feels like the now. Only love could move me. So I'm shaking from the core. It's not just heat, it's something more. Only love could do it. They say heaven's far, but I found it in your kiss. Not in angels or in stars, just in moments like this. Only love could do